how to write a caption on an Instagram instant. So if you want to write a caption on an Instagram instant, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you need to just simply go with the messages section, which will be on the bottom. Now here you will have your instance right on the bottom. Tap on it. After opening your instance, now if you want to write a caption on your Instagram instant, then you need to tap on your instant. And as you can see, you will have an option of add a caption. You need to tap on add a caption, or if you don't find add a caption, you need to tap on your instant and you will find the option of add a caption. And here you need to go and type something, send, and that's it. Your instant has been sent. Now go with the top right, which has that 4 square shaped icons. And here, just wait for a few seconds till your Instagram instant has been posted. Now tap on it, and that's it. As you can see, you'll have your instant right here. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.